back to my channel. It's your girl SequoyaMartice, and we are back with a purple glam type of look. And I just threw on this hat just to top everything off because I felt like, hey, why not do a wintry look with a little bit of color before winter leaves? But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright y'all, remember what you do to one side, you do to the other. So I'm going to use my Juvia's palette Culture, and I'm going to use these 3 shades. You probably can see the name if you pause it, but yeah. So I went in with the darkest shade first just to create my background, my transition color as some of us will call it, just to give it that, you know, dimensional look that it has going on. And then after I'm done that, remember, you tap, tap, tap. There is no swiping in this because swiping makes a mess. So I'm tapping, but it's really fast. Then I'll go in with my lighter shade, and I'll go ahead and add that in as well. And what I'm doing with the lighter shade is I'm tapping it. I'm not swiping, because if you tap, you have more color on your brush. See? Very, very much pigmented. And right here, I'm just blending it out. I want to make sure it's smooth and not so harsh looking, because in the camera right now, it does look a little harsh. But as I keep blending it out and playing with it, it creates this smooth, smooth look. After blending, I'm going to take my concealer in the color Beautifully Bronze. It's my skin tone color. And I'm just going to go in and cut my crease. And I actually did really well with cutting the crease, because usually I go a bit too high, but this time I did it just right. And then I'm going to cut it off. So I'm not doing a full cut crease. It's like a half cut crease. After cutting my cut crease, I'm going to go in with that glitter shade. And what I did was I sprayed my makeup brush, and then I put the eyeshadow on, and I kind of just like swiped down. And it came like, it was very, very pigmented, very, very nice. Like, it came really smooth. And I just did that until I was tired of the gold. But it is a lot of fallout when you pack it on your brush, so be careful with that, because you may need a wipe to wipe it up. And I'm just going to keep doing it because I want it to be very, very, very purplish, like a popping type of purple. So yeah, I just sprayed my brush with some water, put the eyeshadow on, and just swiped down, and then filled it in as I went in. Now right here, I went back into my light shade of purple and just blended it out because I didn't want a harsh stop to be noticed. So I went back in with the darker shade purple and the lighter shade purple just to blend it out and make it look seamless. And then you have the eyeshadow look right there. Then next, I'm going in with my dollar store eyeliner. Remember, the dollar store has the best stuff, and it's cheap and you can afford it. So I use my dollar store eyeliner just to do myself a wing. And I am really bad at doing wings, but practice makes perfect. So over the time that we're bonding and doing videos, we can watch my eyeliner game go up. And then I got these lashes from Amazon and Shein, and I'm not sure what they're called, but I just decided to put them on because they're dramatic and they kind of go with the look. It makes the look. Then I'm going to start my routine, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. primer, hydrating, and I love it, guys. It's so sticky, like it just grabs hold of the makeup. And I'm using my Too Faced in the shade Cocoa, and I'm just going to blend that in. And you know, I'm a major blender, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to blend, blend, blend until I can't blend anymore. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer in the shade Rich Skin, and then I use a shade lighter to go over it just to give it that highlight dramatic look that I like. And I am a major blender, so I let the top underneath my eyes sit for a while, and then I blend out my whole face, you know, give it that smooth look because I want it to look like my skin. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty contour stick in the shade Ebony, and I'm just going to contour out my face, and then I'm going to blend it out. And that's about it, guys. My whole makeup routine is pretty simple. There's no dramatic change, and when there is, I will let you know. Now I'm going in with some baking powder, and I use too much under that eye, so you'll see me later in the video spray a bunch of setting spray on my face just to get that ashy look away, because I don't do ashy. It's never been my style. It never will be. But yeah, I go in with my setting spray and I spray my face until it looks better. And then you'll see me going with some blush from NYX, and I'll give myself some blush on my cheeks and my nose because I wanted to see what the cold, crispy look will look like on dark skin, and it looked really pretty. And then I use my MAC highlighting in the color Champagne, and I kind of put that on my nose and chin, and then that was the look. I finished off with putting on my lip liner from Juvia's in the shade Coffee, and then I put on some purple lipstick. And that's about it before I'm telling you what I just did. All right. Okay guys, this is the finishing look. I went and added some purple eyeshadow to my waterline and some eyeliner, black eyeliner of course. And I did my lips with Juvia's Place Coffee. And then I went in with purple just to give it that that it has going on right now. It's the finishing look. So I went and put on my hat to top everything off and bring it together because I wanted to do a type of wintry look before winter left, you know. So yeah, hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe with me. And yeah, let's go on this journey. I'm excited, and I hope you all like this look. Bye.